Hey everybody, it's Henry Studios, and today we're going to be making a spicy grilled cheese. So first you want to get some bread. I'm using sourdough bread because I really like this kind. And first you're going to want to put on any sauce you're using. And I'm using Signature Select Sweet and Spicy Honey Mustard. Gonna want to get a knife and spread it on there. Then you will put on your cheese. I'm using pepper jack cheese and mild cheddar. Probably use about 1 piece of each kind. Oh, stupid cheese, it just ripped. Okay, first piece of pepper jack cheese on. Hopefully this one doesn't rip like the pepper jack. Oh, it did. That sucks. Okay. Here we go. That one didn't really rip. I'm gonna put the other piece of bread on, and then you're gonna wanna butter the bread on the outside. Get a little bit of butter, put a little bit each side. Now you're going to want to spray the pan you use. That's probably enough. And then you're going to turn the heat on to probably between 4 and 5 if you have a stove like ours. Probably wait and put your hand over the pan and feel it to see if it heated up. So it's all heated up now, so I'm gonna put it on. And then you just gotta wait. Check on your sandwich every once in a while. So I'm gonna check it. Oh, I think it needs a little bit more time because it's still kind of white from the sourdough bread. So I'm gonna check it. Well, it was good anyway, so. Now I think it is about done. Let me check it. Ooh, that was close. Yep, it's great. Now I'm gonna set it back on the cutting board and get a plate for it. Okay, now I am using Pacific Foods organic roasted red pepper and tomato soup. And I really like this one. Also, nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way, just so you know. Some very good sounds. Some tomato soup ASMR for you. Turn the heat on to probably 3, in the middle of 3 and 4. I like to make mine spicy, so I add a little bit of hot sauce in it from Taco Bell because I love their hot sauce so much. There we go. Now I'm gonna mix it up with the hot sauce. Hey, this is spicy grilled cheese and spicy tomato soup. What a coinky dinky donk. So now when it is steaming a little bit, you're gonna wanna turn it off the heat, and then you're gonna wanna put it in your bowl. There we go. I like to put a little sour cream on mine because I don't know why, but it just really tastes good. A little bit on there. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And like and subscribe. Now goodbye.